Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to add people to a Pinterest board so you can collaborate and share ideas with friends, family, or colleagues. Whether you're planning a party, decorating a home, or just want to share inspiration, inviting others to contribute makes the process more fun and interactive. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. This is where all your boards live and where you'll manage your collaborations. Next, tap on the Boards tab to see all your boards. Scroll through and select the board you want to add collaborators to. This could be a board you've already created or a new one you want to share. Once you're on the board, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots icon. This opens a menu with several options. From here, choose Edit Board. In the Edit Board screen, you'll see a section for collaborators. Tap the ++ icon next to it to start adding people. Now, enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. Pinterest will help by suggesting contacts as you type, making it easy to find the right people. After you've added everyone you want, tap Send Invites or the checkmark to confirm your selections. Pinterest will send notifications to your invitees, letting them know they've been invited to contribute. Once they accept the invitation, those collaborators can start adding pins, commenting, and helping you build the perfect board together. And that's it. Adding people to a Pinterest board is a quick way to make your projects more collaborative and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.